loan payment. In this session, we will review how to make an automatic loan payment using online banking. From the online banking homepage, enter your username and password and click Sign In. On the left-hand menu, you can see that we have Move Money. Let's click on that. And then we're going to click Payments and Transfers. So in this example, we're going to go through the steps to create an automatic withdrawal from our checking account to pay our monthly loan. Click on Payments and Transfers. The origination account, where is the money coming from? So again, this will come out of a checking account. We'll pick our Investor Rewards checking in this test account. The destination, what loan will this pay? We're going to scroll to the bottom and pick My Loans. As you see, this only has one, but if you had more than one loan, you would just select the appropriate account. Click on it. What is the frequency? Is it immediate? In this instance, no, we're going to set it up to be a monthly payment. We know that our payment is due on the 5th of the month. So we're going to say we want this to start, let's say perhaps on the 4th or the 3rd to ensure that the payment is in before the due date. Let's pick the 3rd. So we'll start this on the 3rd of next month. And then is there an end date that you want these payments to stop? This is up to your discretion. If you do not put in an end date, these payments will continue until you cancel this transfer payment. You need to put in the amount. Is there an amount that you want to freeform, or do you want to use one of these buttons? It will give you the amount due, any past due amount, the standard payment amount, or the payoff amount. If you click standard payment, as you see, it auto-populates. This is still editable, so perhaps you want to do standard payment plus $100. So we're going to put in $342 as our option. Click submit. It will bring up a confirmation page where you can review everything you've entered. If you wanted to alter any of this information, you would click cancel and it will bring you back to the previous screen where you can make changes. We're going to click submit and we're going to confirm that this is correct by clicking submit again. We'll get the checkbox telling us our transfer was successfully scheduled. We can either close out of this box, make another transfer, or go back to accounts. In this instance, we're going to close out the box. We're going to follow our breadcrumb trail at the top back to Move Money. And now in the center, you see we are looking at scheduled loan payments. We have two scheduled. The $342 is the one that I just scheduled. We added that extra $100 to our basic payment. So we no longer need this one set up. So if we wanted to edit this one, we could use these three dots and we can either edit it, we could change some of the details in it, or we can delete it completely. In this example, we're going to delete it completely. It will ask you to confirm this deletion. Are you sure that you want to delete it? Yes, we're sure. Click confirm. And as you see, now I only have one scheduled payment to pay my loan from my investor checking account on the 3rd of the month for $342, which is $100 more than my standard payment. That's the end of making a loan payment.